Hello everyone. Today I created a program that prints the numbers from 1 to 100. But for the multiples of 3, I print Fizz instead of the other number. And for the multiples of 5, I print Buzz instead of the other number. For numbers which are multiples of both 3 and 5, I print Fizz Buzz instead of the other number. So this is how it works. I call my function named Fizz Buzz. I know you can't see it, but you'll see it in a second. Wait, let me clear my console. So I call a function Fizz Buzz, which, hold on a second, for some reason it is not clearing. There we go. Fizz Buzz. That'll do 1, correct? Then we do 1, 2, 1, 2 Fizz. Now it is showing Fizz because it is a multiple of 3. Keeps going, then it says Fizz 4 and Buzz. It's showing Buzz because it is a multiple of 5. Then Fizz and then Fizz again. Until we get to, till we get to the number 15, which gives Fizz Buzz because it is a multiple of 3 and 5. Now, how you do this, we ask? Well, we have our function named Fizz Buzz. Then we have our 4 conditionals, which if this conditional statement is true, then it'll execute this statement. If this conditional else if is true, then it'll execute this statement. If this else if conditional is true, then it'll execute this statement. And else is considered a catch-all. So if these conditionals, all of these 3 are not true, then it'll execute this statement or line of code. Now, getting into it, we have our function named Fizz Buzz. Like I said, we have our first if conditional. In our conditional, we have a calculation. Now, the calculation is called mod. Mod divides 2 numbers, but mainly looks for the remainder. Now we have our count, which is our variable name up here, which is assigned to the value 1. Now if count is divisible by 3 equally or evenly and has a remainder of 0, and count is divisible by 5 evenly and is also has a remainder of 0, then it will execute this statement, Fizz Buzz. Else if our second conditional has count, if count is divisible by 3 evenly, which means it gives the remainder of 0, then it'll execute the line Fizz. Then our second else if, but our third conditional, has a count if the count is divisible by 5 evenly and has the remainder of 0, then it'll execute the line Buzz. Else, meaning if all of these ones are not true, then it'll output the regular count. Then we have count with the plus. Now this means increments. It is an increment. So count is going up by 1 each time, which why it gives 1, 2, then Fizz, which is 3, then 4, then Buzz, which is 5, and so on. Then we have our console.log. It is our we are not calling our function out here. We are console.logging it because we are calling our function in our console.log. So that is what I learned today. And I hope you enjoyed me talking through it.